Alrighty, welcome back. This is just a very quick tutorial on how to add a post in WordPress here. This is a post I have for one of my customers. I build most of my sites with Elementor. I can use something different if you'd like. We also have a translate function here. This is just for making sure the post is translated properly. We have a couple different languages selected for my customers here. They need two different languages. We have English and Spanish here. So I'm going to be typing this in English, and then we're going to set that up. Alright, so if we look here, we're going to go ahead and delete these blocks. We have, for a blank post, you just hit add new post, and this is exactly what you'll see. Alright, you have this add a little block function. We have your tools here, select and edit tools. We have your undo and redo, and then we also have your list view here and how everything is organized. Alright, and then we have your publish button, and here we have your post. These are your post settings. Right, so I am the admin here. Admin is the author. Right, we have categories here for the post. So we have road stories, travel trips, tips, uncategories, and updates. We're going to be putting this in the updates section. Right, we also have tags. We can add new tags here for the post, or however we like to do it. So say you're making a post on something. So what I do, say web design. You might add a new tag called web design here. So you're going on a trip. You want to do a blog post update. Hey, we're going on a trip, traveling, something like that. Tags are not super important. Category, what category you put it in is very important. The featured image is also really important. All right, how you view a post. A featured image is a really big part of that. So I always recommend having a featured image set. So if you want to select a featured image, go to media library. All right, so we have them here. So you want this picture selected. You hit set featured image. All right, and that sets your featured image. You have remove and replace, replace and remove here. So if you want to replace that image, you can go to media library. Say you haven't uploaded it yet. You can quickly go to the upload files, and you can click and drag and drop files here, or you can select files. I have OperaGX, so it looks a little bit different on each platform, but it's pretty simple to upload stuff or select media to set as your featured image. But it is nonetheless important. All right, this is your excerpt section. Say, like I said, if you want to do web design, say I write a blog on how to create a website with WordPress. Right next to it, creating a website with WordPress. It's pretty short and simple, but it helps add just a little bit more content and stuff with SEO and all that good stuff there. Discussion, we don't want to allow comments on this specific blog post. So you can click to allow comments or not allow comments. There's a couple different ways of doing that, but that is how this is here. All right, so add title. All right, adding content. We've added content here now. All right. Okay, so you want to add an image to this. This is not a featured image, but it's an image. All right, so you can either go upload an image, or you can select an image, just like I showed you with the featured image. You can select an image, or you can go and you can upload an image. All right, here you'll see you have an image. So we're going to go, and we're just going to go. We're going to go, and we're going to select an image real quick. All right, media library. We're just going to select this van. All right, we have this. All right, so these are your post settings. These are your specific block settings. We have a title. That's the block. This content is also a block here. All right, this image is a block. This isn't a block layout. So if you wanted to add text here, you would add a paragraph or a heading block or a quotation block. These are all block settings. So that's where you have post settings and you have block settings. All right, so you have image. this is an image block. You can choose aspect ratio and how we want it portrayed. So let's say we want to change aspect ratio just a little bit. And change how it's scaled and cropped in there. Yeah, you can do all kinds of changing aspect ratio, width. It's automatically set. You can set some advanced stuff here, but you won't really need to get into that. You can also make it rounded if you like. We're going to go with default here, and this is very simple post. Alright, so then you want to go and you want to publish this. Click the publish button. This comes up. Do you really want to publish this? What are the visibility like? What is the visibility like? What do you want to do? You go ahead and you can either click publish or not. We're not going to publish this. I have the site set up so it will automatically send out a newsletter to anyone who's subscribed to the site. It'll automatically say, hey, we've added a new post, and just clicking the publish button, it will do that and send it out. We're going to hit cancel here. Alright, so if we go and we want to go and preview this, we're going to hit preview in new tab. It's going to prepare this for us, and we're going to have it previewed here. So here we have, this is the featured image, and then you have your content, and then your other image that we added. Alright, so this is your post here. This is how the post is going to look. This is just a preview. It is not actually posted. Then we're going to go and we're going to delete and move this post to trash.